Hey guys, how's it going? I've got a new Switch review for you. These are the Akko POM Browns. Now Akko did send these over for me to make a review, but they didn't ask that I say anything in particular, so I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion, as always. Now, the Akko POM Browns are $16.99 for 45 switches in a box. That's roughly 38 cents a switch, which is really good. They have an 18mm extension spring, and I believe the whole deal with it being a POM switch is the whole housing and stem are POM. Here are the specs. You can check these out later, but they have the force diagram and whatnot that you can check out on their website. I'll provide the link below. Overall, I really like the Switch. There's not that many tactiles that I enjoy enough to put on a main board, and there's actually no tactiles I daily drive, so I mean, what can I say? I like my linears, but I'd be lying if I said that I would daily drive these, but these are among my favorite tactile switches so far, and that's saying something. The tactile bump is very well balanced. It's large, but it's not too harsh. It's slightly rounded at the beginning. The sound is also fairly deep. I have looped them, but I'll be honest, it makes very little difference. Now, I wouldn't say that it does nothing because looping is only ever a good thing, but if you ever wanted to use these out of the box, this is definitely a great switch to do that with. As for downsides, I don't really have any glaring negatives other than the color, but brown switches are brown switches, so you can't really do anything about them. Not that it really matters, because most people will just pop keycaps over this that you can't see anyway, but it does seem like they've addressed a lot of the issues that they had with older switches. The Akko Ocean Blues were really good, but they had some pinging that kind of ruined the experience for me. And the Akko CS Jelly Purple is a little rattly and loose, and it doesn't really have much of a satisfying key press. Whereas this switch actually feels pretty satisfying, and I haven't experienced any ping to date. They're just reliable. With that said, here's a sound test. All in all, a really good Switch, and for the price, it's pretty underrated. In fact, it's easy to disregard such a good Switch because of the price. But just because something is cheap doesn't mean it can't be good. It's honestly worth the attention. The packaging is also super nice, although it is large. So who do I recommend this Switch to? I recommend it to someone that's looking for a tactile Switch with a bigger bump, a solid snappy actuation, and maybe doesn't want to deal with looping switches. I also recommend this to someone who's on a budget, which I mentioned last because I wouldn't say these are budget quality. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys decide whether or not you want these switches, but thank you so much for watching this video, and to those of you who have watched my videos before, thanks for being a part of this journey. I've been doing this for a little over a year now, and it's been quite a ride. It really has been awesome, and I can't thank you enough for the support. Hope you guys have a great day and stay squared.